Is it okay if I buy the first house or make an offer on the first house I look at? Yes, it's okay. Absolutely 100%. And here's why. You have probably done your research and constantly at home looking at houses and the photography, and scrolling through the homes, so you kind of know if when you're going, this is going to be the one. I do suggest looking at a few that day, but if it's happened to be the first one, it could have been the third one on that one day where you looked at three or whatever, but absolutely, if you feel good inside and you can see your family there or growing your family there, then you absolutely make the offer on the very first house you see. I'm going to be walking around looking to make sure it is a good purchase and see if there's anything that could potentially be wrong with the property. But one thing that a lot of my clients tell me when they first look at a home is they feel it's a little smaller because of all these wide angle lenses and stuff like that in the photography world, which, is fine. I love those images because, hey, we're trying to get you there. We're trying to showcase the home in the best possible way in order to come there in person. That's really the only thing that's a little bit different than actually seeing the property. But 100%, it is okay to make an offer or buy the first home that you do see, because at the end of the day, when you step foot in literally when you step foot in the door, you're going to know instantly if you're going to love that house or if you're not going to love that house. It happens every time, all day, every day when I'm out showing property. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Matt Williams, eXp Realty. Visit me at homesintheham.com. I'd love to help you. Take care. Bye-bye.